So many people reacted to my video about how to maintain the Sony WH-1000XM3's cushions. One of the most common responses that I got was, why do you want to maintain them? Why not just buy a pair of new ones from Sony and just replace them? So I'm going to teach you how to do it, but there's one thing you need to be aware of, and that is that Sony sells them, the original cushions, for 80 Singapore dollars or around 60 US dollars. As you can see, I got this information direct from Sony through email. So yes, indeed, a pair of cushions from Sony costs that much, but I'm still a big supporter of buying original parts from the official brands. Even though there are so many alternatives out there, cheaper alternatives that you can buy from Amazon.com, because at least you have assurance from the official brand. I'm such a cheap person, I'm too cheap to buy a pair of cushions from Sony for this demonstration. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to show you how to take the cushions out, and then I'm going to show you how to put the cushions back, okay? Oh, and when you're doing this, try to ensure that you're doing this in a relatively clean environment, as dust free as possible. So this is how you take the cushions out. First of all, get a flat, blunt object. Don't get a screwdriver, get something like maybe a butter knife, you know, a blunt one. Or what I'm going to use here is a nail clipper. Or you could use the handle of a teaspoon. Doesn't matter as long as it's not sharp like a screwdriver, okay? So the cushions are held into place by a circular flat piece of plastic snapped into the frame of the headphones. So you're going to want to feel the plastic, okay? So push down the edge of the cushions and feel for this piece of plastic here. So if you see that there's a gap, yes, that's where the plastic is. Grab your tool, start from the top end at the side and just pry, okay? Just pry. Take your time, don't rush, okay? The fastest way to destroy your headphones is to rush. Just pry. Okay? You hear that? You hear that snap? So once you hear that snap, this means that it's freed from the frame. So what I'm going to need you to do next is to pry along the edge of the cushion. So just pry. Okay? Just dig in like earlier and just pry. Just pry. Just work your way around. Take your time. Okay, this part won't give up. Okay, it's okay. We'll just continue from the other side then. See, it's come free. Same thing with the other side. Start from the top corner first. Pry. Okay, good. Just work my way around. Just pry open. All the way. Yeah, like that. Okay, so it comes out like this. These are the screams. Okay, so they come with the cushions. It's a protective cloth to prevent dust from getting into this area. So now that you have removed the cushions, what do? You do not throw them away. No, keep them aside. You can possibly use them for spare parts. So take out your new cushions. Okay, and I haven't bought the cushions from Sony, so I don't know if they come with the plastic piece, but if they don't, fit the cushions, the new cushions over the plastic piece using the protrusions that runs along the edges, okay? So it's very hard to go wrong. They will have the holes ready cut for you. So let me give you a closer look of what the protrusions look like. Okay, so you see there are a series of pins and flat pieces. Okay, they line up very well with this tiny little holes that run along the edge of your ear cup. Wonder if you can see. So what I'm going to need you to do next is to fit the protrusions into the indents. Okay, so you need to line them up properly. Make sure that they are in their proper holes, and then simply press on the cushions, you should hear a snap. See? You hear that? These ones are not snapping, so okay, never mind, let's just continue. Snap. Snap. Okay. I'm not very confident that they're fully in, so let me just pull the edges, make sure they're taut. Okay, so this seems pretty okay. Alright, so you may not hear a snap. Oh, okay, there's one more snap there. But just make sure that everything is snapped into place along the edges. Do not press in the middle. That's where your drivers are, so you don't want to touch that. Along the edges will do. Pull the cushions to make sure that the plastic piece is, or rather the bracket, is properly snapped into place. Let's just call it the bracket from now on. Okay, it's so much easier. Do the same for the other side. Okay, so line them up. Apparently you can use either side for either ear cup, doesn't matter. Just line them up. Okay, press them into place. Wait, just make sure. Okay. Snap. Okay. Yes. More snaps. Am I done yet? Okay, just pull. Just in case it's not secured properly. Seems pretty secure. Yeah. Both sides secure. So there you have it. This is how you replace the cushions of your Sony WH-1000XM3. It's pretty simple actually. I didn't expect it to be simple. No screwdrivers needed, just a short, flat, blunt tool, some patience, and a clean environment. Okay? So, if you think this video was helpful to you, or you think this video could help somebody, please give this video a like and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and remember to ring the bell to join notification squad, because I upload videos every single week, and this is the only way that YouTube will notify you, okay? And you'll want to subscribe for more videos like this as well. My name is Aaron, you're watching Aaron Design and Wireless, and I'll see you again in the next one. Facepalm out!